right, I'm the flatratemaster. Today we're going to talk about, well, a tool that should be in every technician's toolbox. Now, I used tool with quotation marks because it's really more of a chemical than a tool, but I have fixed a just crap ton of cars with this. It is AC Delco dielectric lubricant, part number 10-4071, GM part number 1237790. Now, it is not a dielectric grease. I know it says that. It actually promotes connections in connectors. There's several GM TSBs on this product. And GM, if you don't know, has problems with pin fitment, terminal fretting, lots of connection issues. And a lot of the TSBs have you put this chemical in those connections. I have fixed many cars with this product. Intermittent communication faults that you just can't duplicate, you can't replicate. You put this in the connector, you connect it back up, and fixed. Recently, my wife's 2017 Chevy Equinox had an intermittent fault with the power steering system going offline. It would only happen on cold startup. It would only happen first thing in the morning. You know, if you let it sit for 10 hours, it wouldn't do it. You know, it would set a intermittent fault with the ABS module for invalid communication. Put this in the connector for the ABS module, fixed, like that. Has not done it since. It is just crazy how good this stuff is. Like I said, it's not an insulator, it's not dielectric grease. It promotes electrical connection. Don't ask me why they called it dielectric grease, because it's not. It promotes connection. Now, just to FYI, they do have a different dielectric grease. It comes in a tube. That ain't it. This is a specific product. You'll find it called out in TSBs, so if you're not aware of it. Now, I found out about this product from a GM tech, and I've had it since confirmed by several other GM techs, and it's basically issued to everybody. There's going to be a TSB. You're going to wipe that on the connector, just a thin coat. You don't have to goop it on. And it lasts a long time. A tub has lasted me a very long time. The one in my Diagnostic car is actually the old steel top. This one is obviously got the plastic one. It's newer. I bought this because I was running low. And so I brought it home to actually fix my wife's car. And keep in mind, it's not just for GM. I've fixed Fords, I've fixed Volkswagens. Now, obviously, if you've got other problems, it's not going to fix it. But it's usually when it comes down to connection problems and connectors, this is freaking awesome. I will try to find this on Amazon, which is where I buy it, and put a link in the description. It is an affiliate link, so I'll get a couple pennies back on it if you want to support the channel. But awesome stuff to have if you're a diagnostic technician and you're fighting really weird intermittent communication faults. Now, obviously, if it's an actual physical module problem, it's not going to fix it. It's really just for terminal fretting and connection problems. So, hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the flatratemaster.